many parts on a vehicle that you can't wrap, shouldn't wrap. Tires, not a good idea. There are special decals for tires. I know you can put them on. I've seen it done. Doesn't mean you should wrap a tire. It's not a great area to wrap because of the energy level of the surface. Textured plastics, black plastics. They're most commonly seen, where your wiper blade sits at the lower part of your windshield. They're often seen on the rear lower diffusers or lower rocker panels or lower bumpers of vehicles. Black plastic textured areas, you'll see them on trucks where they have unpainted mirrors or mirror caps, door handles, and even bumpers in that case where it is still textured plastic. That stuff is not good to wrap because it's not going to hold the vinyl down due to the texture. Also, it's very porous, so the energy level in the actual plastic itself is very low. The wrap could bubble or just simply fall off due to the oils leaching out of the plastics. Unpainted areas can be wrapped. It just depends on the type of surface that is there to begin with. Glass can be wrapped. It's actually an amazing surface to wrap. Vinyl sticks tremendously well to glass, much better than paint because the energy level is much higher. Plastic lenses, headlight, taillight lenses. Vinyl sticks very well to that as also. Those are unpainted surfaces, just with a high energy level. You want to try to stick to high gloss finishes that are smooth. That's general rule of thumb. Can you wrap some other stuff? Yes, you can. You can wrap some satin chrome trims, or maybe they're not chrome, but they're just like satin silver trims. Yes, you can do that. I'm doing that on the Mercedes over here. It's not real chrome trim. It's just more of a satin type of finish. The vinyl doesn't adhere as well, but it's strong enough from my experience that I know it's going to hold up just fine.